And I'll just give my opinion on glass skin. Glass skin is just oily skin rebranded. So you have to apply this fast, wait a few minutes, and then apply your moisturizer. Guys, welcome back to Nene's Glam World. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be doing a product review, and I'm very excited for this product because I have used this brand. I have used it a couple of times, not a couple of times. I have products from this brand that are in my daily skincare routine, and I'm very excited to say that they came out with a new product, I believe somewhere last year, but I just got my hands on it in December during the Junior Black Friday sale. So this is a product review of the Garnier Air Daily Mattifying Air Cream. It is a moisturizer, and I'm very excited for this product because this brand has been releasing serums and products that are skin actives, and they have not been releasing moisturizers. And I'm very, very excited. I was so excited when I saw this moisturizer because I've been looking for an affordable moisturizer that I know will definitely work, and I trust this brand. So the packaging looks like this. I have used it a couple of times, and I'm so happy to report that it is such a good product. So what I love about this brand, first of all, is this fact. You see the green? This is what always draws me to this brand. So it says that it is vegan formula, cruelty free, and the jar itself is made of 25% recyclable glass. So not only is it affordable, but we get the product inside a glass jar. Now, look at this. What does it say? It says mattifying and for blemish prone skin. Now, a lot of people confuse mattifying and drying. Mattifying means that it's going to control your oil in your skin, while drying means that it affects the water levels in your skin. So mattifying has nothing to do with water levels. Mattifying has everything to do with the oil levels in your skin. So if you're an oily skin person, I believe that this product is going to be so good to you because it is mattifying, meaning that it's going to control your oil levels. It also says in the ingredient list that it is powered by 10% a combination of niacinamide, AHA, and BHA. Niacinamide is really good for those people who have oils, lots of oils in their skin. It reduces pores, and that is the reason I love niacinamide. It's pore reducing and everything about controlling the oil levels in your skin, very good at that. So and AHAs, I talked about them in a previous video when I was talking about the Garnier charcoal serum. AHAs and BHAs are exfoliants, and I won't dwell on that because you can go watch that video. I'll link it in the description box below. It's a moisturizer. So it's going to moisturize your skin by improving the water levels in your skin. Glycerin. So it does have glycerin, and we know that glycerin is a humectant, which means it draws water to itself. So this is a moisturizer, and at the same time, it mattifies your skin. So it's going to increase your water levels, and it's also going to reduce sebum or oils. Because glass skin has been trending, and I'll just give my opinion on glass skin. Glass skin is just oily skin rebranded. I'm sorry to say, but so we are getting a lot of products that are promoting shine, but we are not getting products that are actually taking away shine for people who do not want shine, like me. I don't want shine, like smooth, even skin, but I don't want the shine. So this product is very, very good for that. We're gonna open inside and show you how it looks. So you get 50 ml, I believe. Most of these products are usually 50 ml, so you get 50 ml. And as I said, it's made from recycled glass. So it's a glass bottle you're getting. And this made me so happy because at the price point that I got it for 700 shillings on Jumia during the Black Friday sale. That was in December. And no, November. Black Friday is usually in November. Yes, in November. This is one of the products I'll be repurchasing. Definitely. Just like the vitamin C serum, I'll be repurchasing this. So that price point of 700, and I think on a normal occasion it's usually around 1200, somewhere there. So for that, I feel that that price point is really good. Now this is how the product looks. It's black inside. Now if you want to know more about what AHAs, BHAs do, I'll link a video in the description box below. It was about the Garnier charcoal serum, and in that video I explained in detail the skin benefits of activated charcoal, the skin benefits of AHAs, benefits of BHAs. So I'm not going to go into that, but just know that this product has AHAs, BHAs. It also has niacinamide, which is really good for acne prone skin. Now, why do you need a moisturizer? Vitamin C serum is not a moisturizer. Charcoal serum is not a moisturizer. If it comes in a dropper thingy like this, it's not a moisturizer. And why am I saying this? Because these products, like this Garnier Vitamin C serum, they contain skin actives that are designed to target specific problems in your skin. For example, vitamin C is designed to target blemishes, reduce the color of blemishes, even out your skin tone, but it is not designed to moisturize. And in the process of evening out your skin tone, or even in the process of, reducing the blemishes, these skin actives tend to dry out the skin. And a dry skin is something that you don't want because it's prone to cracking and getting further infections. You end up with more pimples. Cannot use skin actives without a moisturizer. If you're going to use a serum, be it a niacinamide serum, and serums tend to come in these dropper-like bottles. Others come in tubes, but if it's labeled as a serum, most of the time, most 90% of the time, it contains skin actives that will end up drying your skin. They are beneficial in other ways, like evening out your skin tone, reducing the size of your pores, and other benefits, but they'll end up drying your skin. So you have to use a moisturizer. So you have to apply this first, wait a few minutes, and then apply your moisturizer. A moisturizer is going to make sure that your skin does not end up dry, that you do not end up, with an endless cycle of acne and pimples because your skin was too dry and you ended up damaging your skin. So it acts as protection for your skin by moisturizing your skin. So I was so happy when Garnier came with a moisturizer because it's about time. It's about time, and we are expecting more moisturizers. We want the dewy finish moisturizer also, of us who might not want matte skin. But I'm very excited for this product. I have already used it. It feels very silicone-like. I don't know if it has silicone as an ingredient, but immediately I touched it and rubbed it on my skin. If you're someone who's ever used a silicone-based primer, that's how it feels. It's very soft. It's like a liquid powder. But yeah, it doesn't leave a shiny finish. But it's so moisturizing, by the way. It feels amazing on the skin when you apply it. And as you can see, that's how it applies. Now, I might look tired in this video, but that's because this is the second time of filming this video. Just like the Garnier charcoal serum that I filmed twice, I keep on forgetting to turn on my microphone. Right now it's turned on, but I filmed the entire video and realized that my microphone is off. You can just imagine. Just like in the Garnier charcoal serum, I filmed the entire video and realized that my microphone was off. So I'm very happy for this product. Definitely a repurchase. I do love Garnier products though, so do your own research and I'll see you in my next video. But make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Tell me in the comment section would you try this product? And if you've already tried this product, how did it go for you? I'll see you in my next video. Bye.